let's take a look at CloudBees running on the iTMethods DevOps SaaS Platform to see how it addresses some of those challenges. And I'll start by walking through some of the key components on this slide. If you look in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, we have your current environment. This may be entirely on-prem today, but it probably also includes some SaaS applications that you're running, along with different public cloud environments that you may be leveraging. In the center graphic, we have CloudBees running on the iTMethods DevOps SaaS Platform powered by AWS. So how does this address security, privacy, and governance concerns? What you're seeing here has been deployed to the best practice standards of both CloudBees and AWS. This includes deploying it in the most modern way, leveraging cloud-native services where possible to improve performance and availability. It's deployed as a dedicated single-tenant instance in accordance with each customer's internal controls. For example, if the customer has a particular encryption algorithm or wants to bring their own key to our platform, this is all part of the service that we offer. And if there was a migration that was required to bring us to the state where a customer is running CloudBees on our platform, that would have been performed by our certified consultants in adherence with our migration practices. And if a customer has certain privacy legislation to comply with, or they need to reside in a particular geography, customers on our platform have a choice of running in any one of the 25 global AWS regions that we support. And lastly, this is being run by iTMethods as a SOC 2 Type 2 compliant platform. In terms of allowing organizations to focus their limited resources on business priorities, which was another key challenge that we heard, well, for customers that run our platform, the division of responsibilities roughly breaks down like this. iTMethods, we look after everything related to the infrastructure and the system administration of the tool. This frees up customer resources to focus on actually using the tool from a functional standpoint and focusing on their business priorities. For example, we've got 7x24x365 monitoring and support. We have guaranteed availability through committed SLAs, all the backups, patching, infrastructure sizing, integrations. That's all part of the platform subscription. So these are all things that a customer doesn't need to focus on, doesn't need to have their resources focused on. We also have transit and access hub layers that act as a single secure connection point to a customer's infrastructure. So once that's in place, access to and consumption of CloudBees on our platform is pretty seamless to the end user. It's really as if iTMethods DevOps SaaS Platform becomes an extension of their own environment. So when it comes to software currency, another challenge that we heard from customers, all customers running on our platform are kept current. And we do this through a series of regular upgrades and patching that are included as part of the subscription. That includes weekly patching at the operating system level, as well as application level patches, whether they're security or functional, and then full application upgrades as well to keep customers current. The next challenge that we addressed, functional expertise gaps. We do have a functional consulting practice with resources who are certified in some of the 45 plus tools that we offer on our platform. And we also partner with tool vendors such as CloudBees to offer professional services consulting. And that can serve to establish guidelines and best practices around tool usage, or it can fill resourcing gaps as well. And the last challenge that I touched on that we're able to assist with is the customer's desire to move quickly. So we are able to help remove a lot of barriers. Initially, it's usually related to the governance and vendor onboarding, and we have a lot of experience in this area. We understand what large regulated enterprises need to see. And when customers choose the iTMethods DevOps SaaS Platform, that also removes a lot of internal bottlenecks around cloud infrastructure and governance, because they're really relying on us as a SaaS provider to provide all of those controls. And that isn't to say that these groups aren't part of the initial assessment process. They definitely are. But once the platform is approved and the project kicks off, then those dependencies are removed. And then once a customer is on our platform, expanding to additional tools is relatively easy, because all of the additional tools that are added will leverage all of that hard work that was done up front, and they will all connect through the same transit hub and access hub infrastructure.